Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download the Gigabyte motherboard driver. Okay, so first we have to come this website www.gigabyte.com. Then you can see here right hand side search button. You just open it and type the model number of your motherboard B850M force WIFI6E. Then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click open it. You can see the title of the model number name. Then click to support. And select your operating system Windows 10 11. So select any which is you are using. Installation process same. Audio driver. So first audio, you can see here, you just click to download, just single click to download, it will start downloading. See here. Okay, so I already installed that 175 audio driver. Just open like when after installed, after download, then double click to run. This is exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting driver to your system, so wait few seconds. Now this is installing. Wait few seconds, it will done, means it automatically close it. Okay, then close it.